Hey everybody, Rob Cairns here. I'm the founder, CEO, chief creator of Amazing Ideas, and chief digital strategist for Stunning Digital Marketing. In today's tip of the day, I want to show you how I build my podcast out. So it's worth mentioning that my podcast, I end up with 7 or 8 files, depending on if it's a solo show. And then one of the things I do, and I'll show you on a screen share real quickly, is I rename all my files from 1 to 7 or 1 to 8 if it's an interview. So, and this just makes life really easy. And in a further episode, I'll get into what all these files are. And then from there, what I'll do is I'll use a free OpenShot video editor, which is really cool because it's 100% free. And for this purpose, you really don't need anything else. You don't need DaVinci Resolve, which I adore, and many other programs. And the first thing I'll do is I'll import in my files. So I go to File and go to Import. And I'm already at my Quick Photos directory, so I'm going to load in my logo. And then I'm going to go find the files for this episode, which are here downloads and the changes to STM show, and here they are and it will just load them in order. Really easy. Then what I'm going to do is drag and drop these. The reason I number these are this is the order that I'm going to use when I create my videos. So I'll do number 1 here, number 2 here, number 3 here, number 4 here, number 5 here, number 6 here, and then number 7. So that's all my media. You'll notice it's a combination of MP3s and MP4s. The MP4s are video, the MP3s are just audio files. And then I'll take this logo and I'll drag it to a different track. And let's just enlarge this so it matches number 1, which is the intro. And then I'll drag it to number 7, which I happen to know is the outro. And we'll just drag it. And what this will do is this will actually put the logo and the music on both these tracks synchronized, which is really easy. Now let's export the video. Let's go a file, export video. And there's a couple things we have to choose here. Where we're going to put it. So I always find that first. And we'll go to download and we'll go to changes to STM show. And then I want to name this. So this happens to be episode 442. And then I'm going to change this type here. I prefer to use the MPEG. It's a little smaller, but for what I need, that will work. And say export the video. And I'm just going to stay with you. This shouldn't take too long. And it's going to go ahead and export our video and make life really easy. And the cool thing is because OpenShot supports multiple tracks, as you can see, I haven't used track 3 or track 2 or track 1. I can actually combine more and more stuff this way. So this is a really good example of an MP4, an MP3, and a JPEG all in the same video. And down the road, I'll do a couple future videos showing you how you can edit some stuff in here and how you can add some other content, which is really cool. One of the things I might even show in a future video is how to make a slideshow of pictures, which is a really cool idea if you want to do that. So we'll just take the time. We're about 40% now. And this is basically how I create the video podcast every week. And then once the video podcast is created, Then I go and create an audio version of it. And I will show you in a future video how I create that audio version from the video. And it's really easy to do. And again, done with open source free software. And that which is 100% free for downloading. So we are almost there. We're about 65% in counting. And let's just let this finish up. And then I'll show you what the video looks like. 80%. And we're done. It says it's 100% right here. So just to show you what the video looks like, we will share a screen again and we'll go here and you'll see at the top of the screen, there's a video, episode 442 changes to STM show in an MP4 video. I hope that shows you a little bit about how to combine files using the OpenShot video editor, which is free. I'll put a link to it at the top of the show notes. I'll put a link to it in the comments for the video, actually, even easier. And then that should help you out a little bit. Rob Cairns, Chief Digital Strategist at Stunning Digital Marketing, the digital concierge for all your marketing needs. Have a great day, everybody. Bye for now.